project, Cookie Money Custom.
137,000 miles.
Damn. This thing, god damn.
Alright, so this is how we're starting off this video. Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So, Cookie Money bought a new 65 Mustang that we're about to do a build series on. We're taking it to City Alignment Concord where we can work on it. And this is what's going on right now. Pushing it to the shop. That's the new Mustang. We'll take a look at it in a second.
Look, I got almost to the turn lane.
Bro.
That fucking died. I'm like, fuck. Lucky he was behind me. So.
The interior is mint.
It's immaculate.
So what's up, Cook? New whip.
Paint job. New project, Cookie Money Custom.
New project. So what are we gonna do with this thing? We're gonna build it up.
So we're gonna restore it.
Restore it. You gonna paint it?
Mm-hmm.
What color? Just redo this color, or
Nah.
do like a
Probably
candy?
Let the fans pick.
Y'all heard it. So comment down below, what color should this car be painted? Should be some sort of candy color, but you know, it could be whatever. So comment down below, let us know.
Could be white stripes. I mean, you know.
Yeah.
Candy stripes.
Yeah, it could. Yeah, any kind of combo, really.
Any combo.
But definitely needs a little refresh. But overall, this thing is clean as fuck. You're the third owner?
Yep.
Yeah, this interior is fucking tight.
It ain't even been washed in 12 years.
For real?
Yeah, still exactly.
Couple little minor tears and things, but for the most part, she is good to go interior wise. Probably just needs some music, little body work here and there, a couple little cracks and things, but we're here at City Alignment Concord and about to give this thing a nice little refresh. Bro, this is a tiny ass radiator. You ever looked at that thing?
And you see it's no fan guard, so if you don't know what you're doing, you start that motherfucker, put your hand right there, your shit gonna be gone.
Yeah. Good, Cuddy. She's clean. She got 215s in the back.
You got this motherfucker stolen? Did you show your friends your keys?
So, alright, I'm gonna give you this crazy story, right? So a body shop hit me up talking about he would sponsor a paint job on this car, right?
Yeah.
Drove it all the way to Stockton, dropped it off. He ended up getting arrested with the keys in his pocket. So I had to go rescue the car, and like to get it on the trailer, we had to break the steering column and hell of shit. Nice project.
Oh, yeah.
65 thing.
What's going on with this one?
Trying to get it lifted up and then swap some shit out.
Yeah.
And then training. I see that's what you got on your shop. That's what you specialize in.
Yeah.
Swapping shit out.
Yeah,
We do suspension work.
Everything here. But yeah, fucking. You think we can make some room and put this on the lift so we can look under it and shit?
Yeah. As soon as I want us out, we can put it on. See what's up.
For
Yeah,
sure.
I just want to look under.
All right.
Start this thing up. Oh shit.
There you go.
Okay.
Okay.
Sounds good.
Told you start right up.
Yeah.
Ready?
Got a little rust.
For sure, an oil change.
Yeah, definitely needs an oil change. Seals.
Best way to do it, y'all, is you gotta take the fucking engine out and transmission.
and then just do everything outside. It'll be so much easier.
Okay, got leaf springs. Damn.
That's why you was swerving.
Damn.
This thing used to have duals.
Yeah, for buying this thing in Daly City, like San Francisco, where there's a bunch of salt in the air, this does not have too much rust at all. It looks good. How many miles are on this thing, Cook? 37? Okay.
So probably 137.
137?
Because you know these ones don't got the flip up past them.
137,000 miles. That's probably the reason why it needs to be jumped.
Oh, look, you could feel that thing drop.
It looked like that came out the bottom of the ocean.
God damn.
What the fuck?
That's 65 right there, huh?
Damn.
That's for sure.
Yeah, most def.
Everything.
But everything else looks good. Body looks good. Definitely doesn't look like it's been in any type of accident.
It's not even like.
It's not even connected anymore.
It's just like solid, you know, because they had like the rust. It's kind of like a paint.
I told him what to do is strip everything out and put it on a cherry picker, stick that thing up in the air, pressure wash it, and fucking spray it.
Yeah, a bunch of degreaser and fucking.
Exactly.
First, I'm gonna get it gutted out, and then I think I'm gonna just swap the parts from my other car and put it on here. At first I was thinking just cleaning this original shit up, but that shit fucked up.
It's not too bad.
It's
really
fucked
not.
up. But to make it new, sellable, that's you really then gotta get everything new.
Yeah.
That'll cost way more.
Honestly, resale value wise, if you keep the original motor and trans, it would more value to it on the resale side. Yeah, I guess it's just, are you trying to customize it or are you trying to sell it? Like, are you?
No, I want to sell it.
It's kind of, are you selling it or are you keeping it kind
He
of?
wants, hey, you know what? He wants to sell, but he likes toys, so he wants to fuck with it. I can see it on his face. He's like,
exactly what it
I
is.
want to sell it, but I might do something like that, you know? Like,
That's exactly what it is.
I already know.
You got exactly what it is. I won't keep just buying hella cars.
And then
buy
watch
this
it.
keeps
for
you busy.
other people.
Yeah.
You feel what I'm
Keep you
saying?
busy.
And then he's gonna fall in love with the car because he put it on, you know, some labor or something. And he's like,
I wanna
no,
sell it.
I'm
Like,
not
no, I'm
selling
gonna keep
this.
it.
I'm keeping
Yeah, I'm keeping it.
Nah, I'm coming LS, 1,000 horsepower. I'm telling you, turbo shit.
Sheesh.
I'm coming some crazy watch.
Fuck yeah.
Some crazy. I didn't reach my max with even a little Ford motor. So like I said, after 600-700, you really gonna be popping them little Ford motor. I gotta upgrade to a fucking.
Well, then you start getting into horsepower like that. These chassis won't hold it.
Nah, they won't hold it.
Yeah, you start twisting and shit.
They won't. Yeah, they'll fucking twist.
Blah,
Blah, blah, blah, blah. No, this sounds too nice.
That's what I always ask him when I come here. Like, how long it'll take? Like 30 minutes.
If we blah, 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 blah. I ain't saying 30 minutes. I ain't tripping.
Bro, he's like, I looked it up on YouTube. This should take 30 minutes. And then I made like 6 hours. I'm like, yeah, fuck you, 30 minutes. I was on the same shit.
It'd be like SpongeBob 5 hours later.
Now, cool part about it is that me and Jensen really was wanted to we'll do somewhere. We know we ain't all the way like you on the work, but we want to film us.
Yeah, we want to do a majority of it.
So it's gonna be my time to shine to be the supervisor or what?
Yeah, you could be
pretty
our boss.
much,
That's what
yeah.
it's gonna be.
We could have the engine out 45 minutes, have the rear end out in fucking half an hour. I mean,
Too crazy. No 40 minutes. And I'm just gonna
He's like, don't put no numbers on this. Don't put no time on
That's
it.
what he told me. Like 45 minutes.
Hey,
That shit
hey,
yanked
I've
his
been
mother
doing this shit.
out.
He's gonna be like, all right, let's stick it out right now. Don't get too crazy.
But I mean, finding stuff for this motor might be a little difficult.
What, this one?
this one?
Yeah.
No.
Nah.
You can.
No?
You can go to Napa and you got everything right there.
Yeah,
It's
okay.
289, bro.
Exactly.
Well, even suspension parts and all that.
Well, he's putting the suspension part.
But if we were to do all original, that's what I'm saying. Like, if we were to do like replace all the original
Napa has
bushings.
everything, but the problem is sometimes to remove the ball joints, you gotta press them out, and then you can fuck up the
Yeah.
arm.
Yeah,
pressure
see,
on
there's
it.
there's
It's like,
hella
oh.
shit into
So it's
it.
like,
So it's either just swap it out or replace everything. I honestly feel like swapping it out would be a lot easier.
yeah, I feel like doing that is better.
Just
You
taking
gotta
that.
take away the brakes.
Well, you told me that you got all the parts.
Yeah, everything already hooked
So
up.
it just depends what do you want.
So we're thinking about dropping everything out of here, pressure washing it, cleaning the body and everything up, taking the motor, trans, rear end, suspension, and everything out of.
Whenever you feel whatever's you get there, you the supervisor.
I don't know, remember.
I come
I don't know.
out
I don't know.
mornings. This is gonna be my job. I'm trying to make this a hobby.
You be here till like 1, 2 a.m. anyway.
No, I know, but you know, I got clients too.
Yeah, no, I'm saying.
You know what I'm saying? But I just imagine I leave and then this fool breaks something. I already know.
Don't point at me and say I'm gonna break something. What, a week, 2 weeks?
Shit.
Like 2 weeks?
But if we actually put in the work, probably less than 2 weeks. To be honest, yeah.
I switched the rear end with the rollie on.
Damn.
This the new headliner.
Extra everything. Hubcaps.
Steering wheel thing.
All original too.
Handles right here.
Those are the doors. Or the window frames. But they got the original one.
Man, you chip, man.
Original everything. What the fuck? So that is pretty much the end of this video. Make sure you guys stay tuned for the build series. Obviously gonna run through this thing, I think on Monday or something like that. We're gonna pull the motor out. Make sure you guys subscribe, hit that like button. Make sure you go follow City Alignment on Instagram, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
In Las Vegas, victory lane for Fox Television. Ricky Bobby, today's big winner. Heck of a win for you today, but it seems as if you can win or crash the car trying to win.
Well, Dak, here's the deal. I'm the best there is, plain and simple. I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence, and nobody can hang with my stuff. You know, I'm just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first,
The bumper
you're last.
kind of good there,
You know,
my guy.
that's what I'm talking about. That phrase, trademark, not for Ricky Bobby.
They didn't see nothing.